In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete transaction history on GCash 2025. Before we begin, here's the key thing to know. The app does not allow you to delete individual transactions or wipe your entire transaction history. That's by design, because financial records are required for security, compliance, and dispute resolution. So if you open the app hoping to remove entries, you won't find a delete button. What you can do instead is view or download your transaction history, going back up to 4 years, so you can keep a private copy, review activity, or reconcile your spending. Let's walk through exactly how to access and request your history. Start by opening the GCash app on your device. On the home screen, look for the Transactions option and tap it. This is where your recent activity appears, and it's the place to manage how you review past records. Once you're on the transaction screen, scroll down until you see the option labeled Request Transaction History. Tap that to open the request form. This feature compiles a report of your activity within a date range you select, which is much easier than scrolling endlessly through older entries. Next, enter the date range you want to pull. You can choose a short window if you only need a recent statement, or set a broader period for audits or tax prep. Remember, the system can provide up to 4 years of history, so adjust the start and end dates accordingly. Double check the dates to avoid missing days at the edges, then submit your request. After you submit, the app will generate your transaction history for the selected period. Depending on the size of the range and your recent activity, it may take a moment to compile. When it's ready, you can view it right in the app and, in many cases, download or save it for your records. If you're reviewing sensitive details, consider storing the file in a secure folder and locking your device to keep your information private. To recap, while you can't delete entries from GCash, you can quickly access a clean, organized record of your transactions for up to 4 years by opening the app, tapping Transactions, scrolling to request transaction history, and submitting the date range you need. This approach gives you clarity and control without compromising the integrity of your financial records. If the interface changes slightly in future updates, look for similarly named options under Transactions or Account History. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your GCash activity with confidence.